Ladies and gentlemen, gather round as we embark on a journey with a remarkable individual named Matt, a dreamer with a passion for prosperity. Despite having no money, no experience, and no college degree, Matt sets his sights on the lofty goal of making $100,000 a year. But fear not, for Matt is no ordinary person. He's a visionary explorer, a charismatic go-getter, an astute strategist, and a shrewd entrepreneur all rolled into one. As we delve into Matt's world, we find him embracing the 10 paths to financial success with unwavering determination. In the heart of the city, he crafts his widget idea, venturing into the world of physical product business. Armed with brilliance and innovation, he tests the market's waters through a crowd-funded Kickstarter campaign, learning that perseverance is key to unlocking the doors of prosperity. Meanwhile, in the outskirts of town, Matt negotiates like a seasoned pro, climbing the corporate ladder with confidence. Armed with courage, he asks for more, understanding that in today's world, opportunities await those who have the boldness to negotiate. Venturing into the realm of digital products, we see Matt's strategic mind at work. He crafts online courses and training programs, proving that passion and innovation can pave the way to financial abundance. Through targeted advertisements, he validates his ideas, knowing that brilliance and market insight are a potent combination. As a natural-born salesperson, Matt embraces commission sales with charm and persuasion. Investing in himself through training, he masters the art of selling, knowing that this invaluable skill will serve him far beyond his sales position. In the realm of service business, Matt consults with wisdom and dedication, guiding businesses towards success. He carves a niche for himself, knowing that every success story he helps write is a testament to his expertise and commitment. In the world of affiliate marketing, Matt becomes a shrewd online entrepreneur, earning commissions through persuasive charm and marketing prowess. Passion and creativity intertwine with strategy as he weaves a tapestry of financial triumph. As the night sky unveils its stars, Matt ventures into the realm of active investing. With calculated risk-taking and a flair for no-money-down real estate deals, he discovers the magic of connecting those in need with investment opportunities. In the tranquil abode of creative deals, Matt orchestrates win-win situations that elevate businesses and individuals alike. Armed with a unique set of skills, he proves that creativity knows no bounds when the human spirit soars. Finally, with steady employment as his anchor, Matt plunges into the world of side hustles, treading the waters of possibility. Dedication and perseverance fuel his dreams, knowing that financial freedom is within his grasp. Dear listeners, behold the extraordinary tale of Matt, the embodiment of passion, determination, and limitless potential. He shows us that the world of financial success is not reserved for the privileged few, but open to those who dare to dream, seize opportunities, and harness their inner strength. So, go forth, dear dreamers, and let the spirit of Matt guide you on your journey to a six-figure reality. Unleashing financial freedom, 10 proven paths to earning $100,000 a year without money, experience, or college degree. Unlock the doors to financial abundance and step into a brighter future today by clicking on the link below.